Alright guys, so today I'm doing a review on a Sealey 4-way aluminium telescopic ladder, model number AFPL3. I've been looking into this for quite a while, to be honest though, on deciding which one to get, and I just went on this. What it is, I got a tool account I've had for the last 10 years, and they only deal in Sealey, Draper. This looked alright, so I thought I'd give it a go. So we'll unwrap it now and have a look. I haven't even looked at it yet, so it's new for me as well. But I've been looking at these, and I see the American version is the Little Giant, and they're quite a good ladder. So, and the other one is Werner. I've seen Werner ones. I haven't seen that many different makes. Like I said, this is Sealey. Most probably someone else makes it for them and they put the name on it. It's quite expensive. I got £250 for this. But like I said, I wanted something, because there's certain situations when I'm doing edges, I'm on steps and all different uneven ground, and I think this would be ideal for that. I will get a tripod ladder in the future to go with it. You'll have to excuse if the picture's a bit dark today, because it's a bit gloomy, cloudy above, not very sunny. So hopefully it won't be too dark. Yeah, so the main reason I bought this is for edge trimming. Like I said, I got podiums, quite big ladders. There's all different things you need, to be honest though. There's a lot of different ladders for different circumstances, different jobs. So I thought we'd give this one a go. Like I said, pretty much the same as a Werner or a Little Giant. Very similar. Locking mechanism over here. Just open it up to the step ladder position and they pop in. These plungers by there pop in and it's locked. This is how you lift it up. Pull these out, drop them down. Pull it out, drop it down. And then grab hold of it with one hand. Visually look at them to see if they've locked in. And that's in there. Then do the same the other side. Grab it with one hand, pull it back, lock these in, make sure they go in, either keep going up like that, and that's the bottom one there, that's right, go in there. In and let's do it this way. There we are, that's full height, 2.2 meters, and minimum is 1.3 meters. And then to fold it back together, pop these in, push them in, and it's folded back in. That's ready to go. How heavy is it? It's 15.6 kilogram. Right. So it's a bit of a bank there. Let's try it. A normal step ladder, you couldn't work on that. Look at the bank there. If that was an high edge, imagine that being an high edge now. There we are. Look at that. Imagine if this was an high edge. It'd be perfect. Check all the locks then. Solid enough. If you want to go higher, you can. So open these up. The back one. Lock them in. Go again on this. Yeah, so that's what I like about this. Like I said, the floor is offset, ground is audible. This is why I got it, for doing edges. Yeah, that's all the way up on the front. So, like I said, it's a lot safer. This is the last step, you should stand on. Second step down. Keep your balance. Lock your knees into something today. But we'll open it up now. I'll go against that tree there. Open all the way up as a ladder. So to open it up as a ladder, as a straight ladder, they're already locked in. Now one side, I'll have to press it again. Right round. Make sure they're both locked in. There we are. It will actually go up one more run. That's ideal. If I got to get into somewhere, it's a quick job when I got the one ladder with me. It's a multitude of purposes then. It's got a lot of bounce to it, but I'm 17 stone. Plus rated at 150 kilogram. Well, that's got a bit of movement in it, mind, I've got to be honest. Got a fair bit of movement in it. But like I said, very rarely I'll be using that, just emergency as a ladder like that. It's just for like on steps and all that. We'll find some steps now, show you. The stance is pretty sturdy too. Got a nice sturdy stance to the bottom. Another trick, I think I'll show you now. I think it'll do it. Take the two of them apart and you can make trestles, like two trestles. There we are, so it makes two trestles as well, so that's handy. If you've got a scaffold board or planks to go through it. So far I'm well chuffed with it, gotta be honest. It looks like it's going to be a good bit of kit. If I get along with it good, I'll buy another one. Well made, heavy duty, like I said, trade standard, 150 kilogram. There we are, that's exactly what I had it for when I'm working on steps, with normal step ladders just won't do it. Safe. Can you imagine if you wanted to put a normal step ladder on a bank like this? How funky. Look at that angle of that. Let's see if we can do something there. Can you imagine out below an edge? Edge is up there. Push back. For awkward bits of ground like that. Right, Cush? be ideal. So there we are. I think that's pretty much covered most of the things it'll do. There's like a Werner one, the Werner version, or the little giant American one. Yes, I don't know the manufacturer who actually make it for Sealey. They know they put their names on stuff. £250. Little giant around that money, and the Werner for some of the good ones. I think they all are basically the same thing because I've been looking. Yeah. So we'll do a really in-depth review. We'll see how it goes along. I'll just talk about it. You'll see on videos anyway when I'm doing the jobs like. But if someone's looking for a versatile, telescopic, like a multi-tool ladder, this is a good one. From what I've seen and looked into it, done a bit of research into it, and is ideal. Look at this, it'll even work on a wall. That's what I got it for. Versatility. Where normal step ladders won't do it because of the angle of the ground. That's going to be awesome. And you can even drop it back more on the top. I'll show you now. Yeah, but like I say, for me, this is mainly for edge trimming. Well, it'll be handy around the garden anyway. If I can find any links for this, I'll put them below. So you can click straight on it then. And I'll put all the dimensions as well below. For all the different positions, minimum and maximum lengths. It'll actually go higher on the front, just push up a bit, pull it out. So if that was an edge there, you level that, you flat it against the edge. Look at that, that's a big high edge here, working on it. Okay. Shame they haven't got a lock for when it's all the way, when it's in the transport position and it's folded up. There's nothing locking it. It just locks in the step ladder position. That's a nice small step ladder there as well. This is one of the ladders I use, step ladder I use. Good step ladder, Youngman, 175 kilogram. Look how far I'm back compared to the other one. That's what I'm trying to get at. To do the top, further away, same height. Look how far I'm away. Close I am. It's a lot of difference, that is. Yeah, but on first impression, it looks good quality. Good quality hinge, good steel. Nice strong steps, treads. This looks alright. So you push these plungers in, and that's what folds it then. And that's how we go in the van. My other step ladder will come out and this will be taken over for me. Check out my channel for weekly uploads. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.